Hi guys, welcome to FX Market Strategy. We look at the market right now. Please just confirm if the sound is good so far. Hi, Mr. Shakti. Okay, nice. So you can see that New Zealand is really weak right now, and probably Australian Canadian also. The bound, as we discussed in the bound index this week, was really nice analysis. You can see, guys, this was really nice. You can see this divergence we discussed. The bound did crash so bad. This is expanding correction. So this possibly the end of this wave. Before I'm just gonna take this off. The chart looks so messy. So we discussed this, the right side right here, the flattened expanding correction. Okay, possibly what we're gonna happen right now. Maybe tiny small down, then a little bit up, like this, possibly to here, then further down. Okay, guys, that was really nice pattern, and we discussed the pattern, so we explain why we do expect this one. CHF also did break to the downside. Right now it's going back up a little bit, but it did break the downside. And surprisingly, the JPY did come very strong with the stock market, so they did break the support level and they did come down. So JPY pairs were down this week. Of course, they took the Australian, New Zealand. As the stock market's coming down, it's going to take Australian, New Zealand, Canadian down with it. Okay. Gold right now, it did bounce from this 1905 level. Possibly this may rally up, guys. Okay, watch out. As long as we are above here, we don't break below this level, possibly we're gonna get a wave up. This will happen if the dollar index will start showing some weakness. So far the dollar is strong, is still holding kind of strength. We may get a small correction from right here. Okay, so watch out for this one. DAX did have strong fall today. And they start to reverse from here. We'll see if this will continue up or just a correction. So far this is a buy. Okay, the same thing for the Dow. It did come to the lower band of the channel. I think this is only a buy. There is no more selling here. If you want to wait to buy when it bounces back inside right here, that's also a choice. So you wait for the trend to break above here, then you buy in this area, just to make sure that it's not gonna go further down. If you want to take a buy from here, your stop loss will be kind of below right here. If you want to use a stop loss, if you're using if you can hold it for a longer time or using a smaller lot size, probably to hold it for a little bit more. I think this is going to be really nice. If you look at the longer term, we're right here. This is the lower band of this upward channel, so possibly this is a really good buy area. Okay, so we're gonna put this trade right here as a stop loss below this support level. Okay, so we're gonna put this only 1% risk. So this is buy Dow Jones at 27,700. Stop loss will be 27,400 and TV 28,800. 1% risk only, guys. This is kind of volatile and could be only a correction to continue going further down, but so far this possibly will bounce from here. Okay, this is a good area to catch a buy. after such a big fall. Okay, so let's see if this is gonna work out to be good. Hi, Mr. Ali. Hi, Andraz. Hi, Lee. Or Mr. Kwana. Okay, perfect, Andrew. Thank you. Hi, Mr. Amr Aziz, sir. Hi, Mr. Dudi. So JPY bears now avoid to sell them anymore because if the stock market is gonna bounce back up, then the JPY bears are gonna kind of go up or slow down. So really, you wanna get out of any selling of any JPY bears. Okay. The bound yen, if you guys do remember this video, we discussed the 138 level right here. Just possibly I can show it here. Okay guys, as you can see, this video we've had previously. Hi guys, welcome to FX Market Strategy. We can look at the bound Japanese yen right here. We can see this is fallen really nice. So we sold at 142. I'm just recording this for you guys right here. Possibly we can get a really nice run. You can see this is the top right here at 142 almost. We can come all the way down here to 138.30 area. We could be running at about 370 bips. So this possibly is a good trade, something to watch out. If it's going good with your analysis, you can go for it. Euro Japanese yen also possibly will fall really hard. Okay guys, so this possibly will be getting like about 100 bips from Euro Japanese yen area. USD CAD also potentially is a good buy in the 1 hour time frame, and this one possibly we can be running about 90 bips or so as a profit, potential profit. Euro dollar also, we have made a live video about selling the euro dollar from here. You can see the trade is still open. And pound dollar also right here. This is a really nice entry in my opinion. In the daily, you can see we are at the top right here. So really, if this end up to be the last candle in this uptrend, so really we catch kind of almost the top right here. Okay, this is really a reversal nice candle for our time frame, so we did catch it right here. Possibly this will continue going down further down. So I'm just gonna put this video up for you guys quickly so it doesn't take much time to edit and stuff. I hope this will work out good. Don't risk more than 1 to 2% in any trade. Best luck for you guys. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Guys, so guys, the target, yes, Mr. Ali and Mr. Robin. So you guys, if you were in this trades, you probably want to get out now. Those all these targets achieved exactly as the signal was given. This achieved 400 pips, which is really nice. In the pound dollar for about 350, and the pound Japanese yen about 400 pips. Euro yen, Euro Japanese yen, each one of them is about 200 pips. So that was really nice. Okay, guys. So that was really we did give the oil forecast buy, but didn't go really well. The oil did fall, but we did give a warning. If the stock market is going to continue to go down, the oil is going to come down. So worst case scenario, if you get out with 100 pips loss or so, but these ones will make up for any loss. So now, if you are in these trades, I would recommend you guys to get out exactly at the 138 level we discussed. This can go down further down, but this is not the best entry to hold right now. It's probably best to get out. Okay. Also better to get out of this. We discussed this right here when the price was at the top right here and here. We give all the sales of Euro Japanese yen almost. So this is also better to get out right now. DAX, if you're gonna hold a buy from this one, your stop loss need to be right down there, because if this is just the downfall is a correction, then if this uprise is a correction, this is gonna break this low and go further down. We'll see what happens. So you must use a stop loss right here. The same thing for the Dow, just in case if this is gonna continue going further down. No risk more than 1%, because this is a strong downtrend. We're just trying to catch a possible bounce, but not a very confirmed signal or anything. So that's why it's important to kind of be a small lot size in this one. Okay, guys. Euro dollar is still going further down as we discussed this one, but I expect this to go just kind of slow a little bit. Okay, guys. The pound trade was really nice from the top here so far. Thanks, Mr. Femi. Sorry, guys, I don't know if the name, so if I say Mr. and end up, in general, I'm not specific in any person to be like a lady or something. Please forgive me about this. Just I'm not familiar with the names from different countries. So now we are in this Dow buy. Hopefully this will work out good right here, and stop loss below right here. Okay. Gold also possibly a buy. So just gonna go something small. There is a forecast the gold is gonna go to 3,000, guys. So long term for gold is gonna continue up, and the reason for this is Mr. Powell said that the interest rates are gonna stay low for extended period of time. And what's gonna make it go high? This sentence, he said, this extended period of times will be measured in years. Okay, so he said that. So low interest rate will remain low for years. So possibly this was gonna make the gold continue the uptrend, go possibly about 2,500 or so. So we are in just a correction, guys, in the gold. Sorry, this chart is okay. So this is just a correction. So all this is just a correction. You can see it's just a correction before it will continue to rally to the upside. Euro New Zealand, because the stock market is going down, this is going up a little bit. I don't think this is going to continue for long, so avoid this buy. Also, it's making a correction here in the MACD 4-hour time frame. So possibly we can get to maximum probably here to this level. Right here, then we bounce back. Okay, so Euro New Zealand possibly another 150 pips or so. Then are gonna bounce back. So if you wanna take a sell from here with a price action with a signal like this one, see right here. So a signal like this one, then this will be good. But don't trade it right now. The signal from the ABC system was really right on the money. Was almost zero drawdown here, right here, and this signal just the latest signal right here, 243 pips, only one signal in the system. Hi, Mr. Hassan. Okay, guys, that was a quick update today. I hope you guys will be in good profit. We have given update about the previous analysis for the pound dollar, pound Japanese yen, euro dollar, euro Japanese yen, USD CAD, USD CHF. The 6 trades did really go well. The oil one did not go very well. It did return. So 6 trades in profit and 1 in loss, which is okay. Okay, guys, thank you. You just should know this is in a downtrend right so far. Don't be in too much risk because we are trying to kind of catch a possible reverse area, but this can continue, as you can see, is coming down, can continue coming down. So don't be in too much risk. Just something, don't exceed 1% risk by any means. But this is gonna go back up sooner or later. Okay, so the longer term, this is gonna go up, no doubt. Even if it comes further down a little bit, it's still gonna bounce back up. Okay, guys, probably before the end of the week we may see this, but don't risk too much in your account. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day. Hopefully tomorrow we can come back live and we can see how the market is acting and we can give some analysis. Okay, guys, thank you and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.